Hi, and welcome to another HVACQuick product spotlight. Today we're going to talk about the Aspen mini condensate pump. The Aspens are available in two configurations. There is a monoblock design where the pump and float tank are housed together, and then there's also a two-piece design that has the float down in the tank and then the pump out in a more accessible location for servicing. They work by pinching a hose as opposed to having a shaft seal, so you're not going to really have any shaft seal issues failing motors. So we found them to be quite dependable and very quiet. A good thing about these things is that they do have an automatic shut-off device, so if the pump fails and the tank is starting to overflow, the drain pan rather, they will shut off the air handler, preventing any sort of water damage. If you wanted to talk about sizing and which pump is going to be best for you, please give us a call at 888-855-7229, or feel free to email us at sales@HVACQuick.com.